We got about 2-3 inches of snow already. Breaking news, we just lost power. It's now about 6 in the morning and I just tried to turn the TV on, and 20-30 minutes ago we had TV and I said, why is the TV not turning on? And then I saw the cable box was not lit up, and then I tried to turn the light on. There's no lights now. We just lost power. Check this out right here. You could see on the cable box there's no power right here. No power right over here. Oh boy, we're not going to get any heat too. It's not too bad yet, but oh, let's see how Nest Wi-Fi disconnected, no power. Oh, it's still giving us a report. I wonder if it's really 6:10, but it says it was 28 and snowing, and oh boy. You can see right there, look at the clocks. I wasn't expecting this morning. Well, that was a surprise. You could see right here when I tried to turn the light on. You could see there's a car, someone's getting ready for work, I think, or they're snowblowing. I don't know right there, but someone has light over there, but it's not normal light because you can see it's very dark out. All the street lights are out, the sky's pink right over there. 7:15 in the morning or 7:17, and check that out. We got the cable box and the TV coming on. You could see the cable box is booting right there. Right here, the light switch is working. I hear the furnace is firing up. And let's see what it says now. It says heating, and it went down to 62 degrees. And the clock is blinking 5:58, so I guess that's when the power went out at 5:58, and it's now 7:17. We're tracking Winter Storm Garrett right here. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and the storm was forecasted to come around 11 o'clock last night. And this morning we lost power around 5:58 to 6 in the morning, but it was about an hour and 20 minutes. By 7:15 we got the power back, but the sky turned green, the transformer blew. So it could have been longer, but luckily we have the furnace fired back up. It dropped about 5 degrees in the house. We're gonna measure the snow right over here and see. I'm guessing about 4 inches of snow. We have about another half hour left of snow left, but the roads are horrific right now. If you don't have to be driving, stay off the roads because someone might have hit the power line, and it's as bad as November 15th, 2018 when they didn't brine and salt the roads. And here, let's see how much we have. It shows we got about 4 inches of snow right over here, and we have another half hour, and then it's going to be really cold tonight, about 15 to 18 degrees tonight. So hopefully the power doesn't go out again, because we could start the fire, but it's not going to keep you warm with those kind of temperatures, and the wind's going to be howling about 20-mile-per-hour winds, so stay tuned. Check this out right over here. I'm not in a good mood. This guy, he just shoveled the driveway. I pulled my snowblower out to show him I wanted to snowblow my driveway in the township. The snowblower is right in front of his face. Like, why would you keep shoveling? I told him to stop with my 5 hands to stop. I can't believe the guy just did that. It's ridiculous. Only a few houses in the neighborhood are getting done. He only did mine and 3 others. Maybe he's required to, but still, next time if he comes at 8 o'clock, I'm going to get up at 7:45 or 7:30 as soon as I hear them, and I'm going to have to quickly get out there and start snowblowing myself, because I waited all week for this, and now I can't do it now. Unfortunately, it's ridiculous.